Good morning from day 3 in Disneyland Paris. So today's our last day. Hannah's just getting ready now. She's going to dry her hair. Fiona's still asleep, so we'll wait for her to wake up, give her a bottle, and then yeah, I need to also have a shower, get ready, and yeah, I'm going to drop our bags off at the luggage / concierge section, and yeah, and get into the bags.
She does the castle though. First time I've been in the picture.
Are you ready for your first roller coaster, Fion?
Roller coaster?
Yeah.
What we got? Roller coaster.
Should we go on Casey Jr.?
Casey Jr. time! Whoop whoop! Are you ready, Fee? For this scary roller coaster ride? You see yourself, Fion? Woo! What's up, Papa?
Fion's first roller coaster.
Yay! That was a tough roller coaster, wasn't it, Fee?
Did you enjoy your first roller coaster?
So much.
We're just in the queue for Donald and Daisy now. Hoping Fion stays awake long enough to meet them.
If she's not, she's not. But you know what? She's done really well so far.
Oh, yeah.
She's done really, really well. And you know what? It's very different doing it with a baby.
Very.
Very different. You know what? It's amazing. No, sister.
Is she awake?
She loves a fun house.
Donald and Daisy. Hi.
This is what I call the pram angle. So Hannah and Mum have gone on Phantom Manor, and I've just changed Fion we're gonna wander over there now, and then we're gonna give Finn a little bottle, have a little chill out, and then yeah, get ourselves some lunch after as well.
Answering call, your presence is wanted at this ghostly ball.
Perhaps you fancy describing Nevermore. Hélas, les choses ne sont pas toujours ce qu'elles paraissent. Tous les contes ne peuvent faire scandale. It appears everyone is doomed at Fantomania. Even you.
And I remember I've now got fear. I'm going to go to Main Street, go and grab us a coffee and a cookie and something to keep us going until we go for lunch. We've got some carrot cake, coffee, and coke, and some more carrot cake. And baba.
Have you enjoyed the time at Disneyland Paris?
No. Don't want to come back. My last minute shopping at the Emporium. I want to get Fee a pin for her first trip though. We could have got it a small one, Hannah, because it was her first ride. Is that one? Ah, Tara. I still think you should get it's a small one for her though. It was her first ride. There's so much merch from the new Wish film. Loads. I actually really want to see this. Right, see you next year then. We might come back next year. We might come back next year? Okay. Maybe for like Fion's birthday?
Yeah, probably back for Fion's birthday.
Get some lunch now, yeah?
Yeah, we head back to Disney Village now. We haven't been around the shops in Disney Village, so we'll do that. And then
I'd do what at Disney, didn't we? We did that.
get some lunch.
Pick a luggage up. Pick a luggage up. Pick a luggage.
Oh, yeah. These are pick all the ketchup.
Pick a luggage up.
Yeah, and then get the train back to the Eurostar.
Yay! See my cat now. Ah, sorti. Just gonna pop into the Rainforest Cafe now for some lunch. I've got my eye on this chicken Louisiana burger.
Just come for lunch in the Rainforest Cafe before we get the train for the Eurostar. I have a little mocktail, the Rainforest, was it Rainforest now? Rainforest now?
It was, yeah.
And
Coke Zero,
Coke Zero. Just wait for the feed now.
That looks nice, you know.
Looks nice.
Very nice.
The rumble in the jungle.
Rumble in the jungle.
Turkey and bacon.
And I got the Louisiana chicken burger. Oh, onion ring. Bonus. Last minute shopping. So that's very you, isn't it? How much is that? Pardon? Can't hear. 70 euros. It's very cute though, isn't it? Well, I like this hat. These are like loungy hoodies. There's that black one there. There's also this one here. Well, that's 60 euros. I do think Hannah should get that. Right, choo choo time. Choo choo. Boo boo time. Boo. I think I prefer the smell of mulled wine more than the taste of it.
I like that with, is it
With what?
Roasted chestnut. Yeah. I love the samantha, but
No, I wouldn't eat them. Not for me. Right, to get the luggage, I'll show you a bit of B-roll of where we go, how to get there as well. So in the train station, to go up to Disney Express, you can either take the stairs here, or as we've got a film, we're going to take the lift at the back and then go up there, give them our tickets. So Jane and Fiona are taking the lift, take the stairs up. So it's quite quiet in here right now, which is lovely. So it's quite early, we're an hour before due to leave, but we're going to go to Disney Express, get our luggage, and then yeah, head downstairs. From here you go down here to the first window, and then yeah, you pick up your luggage from here. So we got a couple of goodies. We've got this Eeyore Rattles. This was 26 euros, and that is super cute for Christmas. I love that. And then we also got this bubble one for Fionn. Super cute. Lights up. Lots of bubbles. She will love that. She loves that baby massage. We also got 2 pins. So there's Terra one, and then also this. It's a small one for Fionn, because that was the first ride and I wanted to get something to remember it. So over here on this end you do have relay. So it's very much like a WH Smith in the UK, so you can get books, snacks, but also there's waters and all that jazz, and I'll show you right now. So we've got loads of sweeties there, all the usual Races, also European Haribos are the best. There's loads of Bomberman cookies, blue cookies, loads of cookies, biscuits. Right, I'm gonna get a Starbucks. Starbucks is over here. I'm gonna get a nice big cup of coffee because I've got to drive home when we get back to London. The Starbucks is over here. Let's have a look what they got. What are you doing to my child? Fionn! What are you doing, mate? You naughty girl!
She just went on there. She had both feet on the table.
Such a lady, isn't she? Ugh, the Eurostar is so much better, isn't it? Than the RER train.
So much better if they just bought the direct train.
Yeah. Best thing about RER train, the changing rooms for the, well, changing mat for the babas. That is by far the best bit.
Bring the direct train.
Please. Right, let's get to the lift. I'm not carrying the bags down the stairs again. And get you, little miss, home. Guys having a bottle?
Yeah, we are so tired.
Yeah, it was a long day today.
It was
very long day.
Yeah, and that switch and change at changing trains at Lille, that was a lot. I don't think it's something we would do again in our personal experience unless they brought the direct train back.
Yeah,
we would happily do the Eurostar again with the direct train, but not with the change at Lille.
No, the only reason we did it was because we had so much luggage to carry.
Yeah.
And it was just, there was no weight limit.
Yeah, it was a lot easier with having no weight limit with Fionn. But anyway, we're home, we made it.
It was an amazing trip
yeah,
though. I wouldn't change it for the world. I absolutely loved it. Having your mum with us was so helpful.
Yeah, I couldn't have done it without Nanny Jane.
Nanny Jane was amazing. Here lucky Nanny Jane, aren't you? Yeah.
So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. No idea what these vlogs will be like. It was a good trip. Different to any Disney trip we've ever had, but one of our favourites, for sure.
For sure. So, I will see you very soon for a trip to Florida, where someone doesn't know where we're staying.
Yeah, I have no idea. All I know is we're going to Florida in February. That is as much as I know. So it's a bit of a surprise birthday trip for me.
Yeah.
So,
We'll see you then. Thanks for watching.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching.